He's posing. So cute. Wow. Wow. Who's at Riley Park? Who's at Riley Park? Who's at Riley Park? Who's so cool? Who's so cool? Yeah. Look, you can play soccer.
Okay, you got everything?
There's Auntie Sandy and Julius. He's so cute.
He's so sweet.
He's kind of bald because he had a CPAP machine on his head, and like a lot of his hair kind of like was getting like rubbed around.
Are bald anyways.
He used to have more hair though,
Okay.
around up there.
He's gonna talk. He's talking.
You're talking.
You're
Hi,
talking.
what is it? What is it? What is it? I love when he talks. It's so cute. Like his little voice. So cute. Talk. What is it? Hi.
He's still
Oh,
filming?
he's smiling. I am. He's
Okay.
smiling. Oh my goodness.
He's such a
So
mama's boy.
cute. Oh, what a cutie.
Wow, he's so alert. Like
I know.
since he was little.
I know. He's so
That's
alert. They all
amazing.
say that. Like all the nurses said that. Yes. Who's so cute?
He's so handsome.
Who's so cute? Good boy. You punch Daddy. Punch him.
Kimmy's really doing the
Scratch him and punch him. Hi, Julius. Good boy. Hi. What a good boy, Julius. Yes. Marcos is giving me a pedicure. Right?
nibbling a little bit at a time, and the rest I'm gonna get with the filer. So I don't have to go so deep because I got a nail filer, right? So I'm just taking
Yeah,
the easy access, and the rest I'll just file the. I have to take care of my cook, otherwise nobody will.
Aww. Boogie eyes. Who's doing boogie eyes? Oh my goodness, you're doing boogie eyes. He's smiling.
He does have something, some kind of a story to tell.
Aw, he loves you.
He's telling
And your
his
voice, he
mommy,
loves that.
he's telling his grandma, and he's telling. He has such a nice story to tell. Look at that.
Oh, that's so
See, look at that. Oh, I know about that one. I know about that one. Oh my goodness. That's so exciting. Jump, 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 bump. Jump, 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 a dump. Bump, 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 bump. Jump, 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 bump, 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 a dump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 bump, bump, bump. Jump, 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 bump. A dump, bump, 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 a dump, bump. Jump, jump, jump. Bump, bump. Jump, jump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Jump, 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 bump, a dump. Bump, a dump, bump, bump, jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 bump.
cute.
Get your hand up here. Okay, huh?
Aww. He's so cute.
There, he's got it right on his little head.
He's telling stories.
And telling such a nice story about his swimming.
Aww.
This thing going on here. He's swimming and being so nice and warm. See? And he's going to tell now about the swimming. He's going to tell about the swimming now.
That's crooked, Marcos. This is how I had it. So cute.
It's gonna go right over here. Look, my clavicle. This is your point of contact. Where the zipper is. I'm gonna put that zipper down, and I'm gonna bring him up. Like, see where I am? Keeping him away, up high, and then I put him on me. Okay. Now he's sitting up high. Okay. I think he already burped. I think he actually burped when I put him right on my shoulder.
Really?
Because the position is so
We would've
perfect,
heard
it just puts pressure. He burps instantaneously. That's why he's not burping anymore.
Yeah, who has his pajumpies on? Wow. Wow. Who has his pajumpies on? Yeah. Who's 2 months old? Are you 2 months old? You're 2 months old. Who's 2 months old? Are you 2 months old? Yes, you're 2 months old. You're so cute. You're talking so much. Who's 2 months old? Happy 2 months. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Julius. Happy birthday to you. Esther, what do you want? Who can do tummy time? Who can do tummy time? You got it. You can do it. You can do it.
Grounded in the scriptures and began to see the truth and beauty of the biblical gospel, the prosperity gospel has
massaging your belly, Mercy.
I know. I call it knitting.
Knitting.
He's knitting.
The curriculum was by a third-party organization.
Precious.
You're so cute.
And I told Nettie at the prayer meeting I'd send her a picture because she's still believing for a new heart. A
Aww.
brand new heart is what she
Yeah,
saying
that's
now.
awesome. Hi. Thanks.
Hi, handsome.
Oh, breakfast. Yummy. Wow. We even grew some herbs in the garden. What was that?
I bet you everything. No specific order.
Hi. Julius. You're so cute. Julius and Uncle Joel.
Hello. Boop, 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 boop. Get a bit of boop, boop.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh my god. Hi. Hello. Oh, no, Chush. Oh, no, Chush. Chush. Oh, hi. Yes. Oh, oh my goodness.
That's the most I've ever heard.
Me too.
I mean, I'm mimicking him, and he hears.
Yeah.
ESL. Out of ESL.
Who's a soccer player? Who's a soccer player? Yeah. Who's a soccer player? Yeah. Good job. Good job. You're a little soccer player. That's so cute. Good job. Yeah. Little soccer player. So cute. Yeah. Wow. Who's a soccer player? Wow.